What's up, guys? Welcome to the old ARES MOTO, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome. Right now we're starting a new channel because our old YouTube channel was hacked by Russian hackers, and after like a week or so they deleted everything. Luckily I have all the videos backed up, so I'm uploading everything to this new channel. And if you want to do me a favor, and to my dad, please hit that subscribe button, help us out to bring channel back to this new channel, Kani Auto, to life. So yeah, 16,000 subscribers, over 7.5 million views, all gone because some douchebag in Russia decided he wants to like delete my channel. Like, it makes no sense. But like I said, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, and we won't disappoint you. We're gonna bring a lot of content, new projects. I still have my motorcycle over there. I still have to finish that, and the reason why we started this channel is Jeep Compass, and we still repair Jeeps and we do a lot of things. So thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.